In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your MMR in League of Legends. Since League of Legends doesn't officially display MMR, we'll use a trusted third-party tool to estimate it. The process is quick, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you know what to expect and how to read the results. First, open your web browser and search for an MMR checker for League of Legends. A popular option is the Ranked Kings MMR checker. You don't need to log in or share any account credentials for this. You'll only use publicly available profile information. That's important for privacy and safety. Never enter passwords or sensitive details on any third-party site. Once you're on the checkers page, start by selecting your region. This usually means choosing the server where you play, like NIMA, EUW, or another region. Pick the correct one, because the tool needs to look up your match history on the right server. If you choose the wrong region, it might not find your profile at all. Next, enter your Riot ID details, your in-game name along with the tagline. This is the name you use in client, followed by the short tag after the hash symbol. Type them carefully and double-check the spelling and capitalization. Small typos can cause the tool to miss your profile, so it's worth a second look before you proceed. After that, click the button that says Check MMR. Now give it a moment. The site will fetch recent ranked matches, look at the opponents you faced, your LP gains and losses, and other public data points. Because it's processing several games, it can take a short while. Don't refresh the page too quickly. Just let it finish the calculation. When the results appear, you'll see an estimated MMR. Remember, this is a best guess based on available information, not an official number. Treat it as a ballpark figure that helps you understand whether your hidden rating might be higher or lower than your current rank. If your MMR is higher, you may gain LP faster. If it's lower, you might gain less or lose more. Use this estimate to track progress over time rather than as a definitive score. If the page doesn't load results, verify the region, check the spelling of your name and tagline, and try again in a minute. Sometimes servers or APIs are busy and a short wait solves it. That's all there is to it. Search for a reputable MMR checker, select your region, enter your name and tagline, click Check MMR, wait for the calculation, and review your estimated rating.